Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter fractions, equivalence and ordering. And the lessons we're going to cover today are compare fractions and recipes, order fractions with like and unlike denominators, order fractions and convert between improper and mixed fractions. So let's just start with the first lesson. Here I am on the chapter fraction, equivalence and ordering. Let's just start with the lesson that is compare fractions. So which fraction is less? Both shapes have one colored part, but here is the shape. Let's just start with the test questions. You don't have the shapes in the tutorial. Also, which fraction is less, 1/4 or 1/5? Which is the correct option? Let's see. This is the one, 1/4. Got it? Okay. Here is 1/5. So which is less? Yes, obviously 1 out of the fifth is less. Got it? The both are exactly same, but 1 out of fifth is the less. Okay, which fraction is greater? 3 out of 10 is greater or 2 out of 10 is greater? They both have same denominators. Just look at the numerators. The greater denominator is the one with the greater fraction. Got it? So which fraction is greater? 3 by 10 is greater. 3 by 10 is greater. You have to look for the greater fraction. 3 out of 10 is greater. 2 out of 10 is less. Which fraction is greater? 3 out of 8 or 7 out of 8? In case when they have the same denominators, you just look at the numerators. Like for this one, both of the fractions have 8 denominator. You'll have to look for the numerators. The one that has the greater denominator is the greater fraction. Got it? So which is greater? 3 by 8. How 3 by 8 is greater? I just explained the one with the greater denominator, greater numerator is the one that is greater. So which is greater then? 7 over 8 is greater. What happened? 7 over 8 is greater. See, they both have same denominators, 8. Just look at the numerators. The one with the greater numerator is the greater fraction. So 7 over 8 is greater. What's wrong, Okafar? It is 7 over 8. Which fraction is less, 1/3 or 1/8? One eighth is the less one. Got it? Correct option is 1/8. That would be less than 1 by 3. Okay, which fraction is less? 7 by 12, 3 by 12. So which is less? Yes, 3 by 12 is less than 7 over 12. Very good. Okay, which fraction is greater? 5 by 6, 2 by 6. So the greater one is 5 out of 6 is greater than 2 out of 6. Which fraction is less? 1 out of 5, 1 out of 10. Which is less? 1 out of 10 is less than 1 out of 5. Got it? Okay, which fraction is greater? 1 out of 3 or 1 out of 5? 1 out of 3 is greater than 1 out of 5. 1 by 3 is greater. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is compare fractions in recipes. Okay, does this recipe call for more mustard or chopped onion? So more mustard. Let's see, the mustard is 3/8 tablespoon and onion is 7/8 tablespoons. So which is greater? 3/8 is greater or 7/8 is greater? Yes, 7 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8. So chopped onion is more in than mustard. Got it? Let's just start with the test question. Does this recipe calls for more blueberries or pineapple? Which is the correct option? Here is blueberries. 3 by 4 cup of blueberries and 1 by 4 cup of 1 by 4 cup of blueberries and 3 by 4 cup of pineapple. So which is more? 3/4 is greater than 1/4. Got it? That means you need more pineapple than blueberry. Got it? Okay, the next one is, does this recipe call more cinnamon or vanilla? So which is the correct option? 3 by 4 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. So which is more, 3/4 or 1/4? 3 by 4 is more. That means you need more cinnamon than vanilla. Got it? The correct option is cinnamon. Okay, does the recipe call for more salt or red pepper? So 1/3 salt and two-third red pepper. So which is more? You need more red pepper than salt. Got it? Because two-third is greater than one-third. Okay, does this recipe call for more popcorn than gumdrops? So you need two-third of popcorns and one-third of gumdrops. So which one you need more? So which is more? Two-third or one-third? Yes, two-third is more, so it would be two-third pop. Can you guys please stop talking? Okay, does this recipe call for more mustard or chopped onion, which is the correct option? Seven by eight chopped onion. You can't see my screen properly? Okay, I'll make a little bigger, don't worry. And mustard is 3 by 8, so 7 by 8 is greater than, so that means you need more chopped onion than the mustard. Okay, does this recipe call for more grilled chicken or mushrooms? Which one you need more? Okay, grilled chicken is 7 over 8 cup and mushroom is 3 by 8. So which one you need more, mushrooms or grilled chicken? You need more grilled chicken because grilled chicken is 7 over 8. So 7 over 8 is greater than mushrooms. Got it? Greater than 3 by 8 actually. So you need more grilled chicken. Got it? Okay, does the recipe call for more cranberries or almonds? So you need 7 over 8 cup cranberries and almonds 1 over 8. So which is more? So which is more? 7 over 8 is more. Got it? You need more cranberries then. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is Order fractions with like denominators, numerators or denominators. So you have to order fractions. Put these fractions in order from least to greatest. So when easy method is when you have the same denominators, you just have to look at the numerators. The smaller numerators come first and then you can go to the larger numerators. Like you can see here 1 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, they all have same denominator. 8 is their denominator. You can arrange them by the numerator. 1 comes first, then you have 5 and then you have 6. Got it? If they have same denominators, you just have to look their numerators. Like you arrange simple numbers. 1 is the smallest one, then 5 and then 6. Got it? But you have to arrange them in fractional form. You have to write 8 also. Okay, we put the fraction in order to from least to greatest. So which one is arranged? 1 or 2? No, not all lessons. I think you are new here. Usually we'll cover 3 to 4 lessons daily from the lesson. Okay, put these fractions in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 1. You can see they all have common denominator 8. You can arrange them by numerator 1, 5 and 6. So option number 1 is the correct option. Got it? Okay, put these fractions from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? 1 or 2? Option number 1 is the correct option. It would be 1 by 2 by 6, 3 by 6 and 4 by 6. Very good. Okay, put these fraction in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? 1 or 2? Patch, please write the answers one. Answer only once. So which is the correct option? Option 2? Yes, 2, 4 and 6. That would be the second option. Very good. Okay, put these fractions in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? 1 or 2? So the correct option is the second one. 2 by 7, 3 by 7 and 4 by 7 is the correct option. Okay, put these fractions in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? 1 or 2? It would be option number 1. 4 by 10, 5 by 10 and 6 by 10. Okay, put these fractions in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? It would be option number 1, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, and 4 by 5. Got it? Okay, the next one is put these fractions from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? It would be the second one, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, and 3 by 4. Okay, put these fractions in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? It would be option 1, 1 by 6, 3 by 6, and 5 by 6. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is put these fractions in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option, 1 or 2? That would be the second one. 1 by 2 by 8 and 3 by 8 is the correct option. The next one is put these fractions in order from least to greatest. So which is the correct option? That would be the second one. Got it? 1 by 4, 2 by 4, and 3 by 4. Okay, we are done with the test. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next lesson is order fractions. Okay, use the workbook and tutors for more practice so you don't have practice questions here for this lesson. Let's just move on. The next one, that would be order fractions. Okay, now we're done with this one. This one, convert between improper fraction and mixed fractions. So you have 2 whole 4 by 5. How do you convert it into improper fraction? You use 3-step method to solve the question. First of all, you have to multiply the denominator and the whole number. 2 is the whole number, 4 is the numerator, and 5 is the denominator. So you have to multiply the whole number and denominator. Whole number is 2 and denominator is 5. You need to do 2 times 5. That would be 10. Then you have to take the answer 10 and add the numerator. You have to do 10 plus 4. That would be 14. And then you have to write down the denominator as it is. So it would be 14 over 5. Got it? Let's just start with the practice questions. So you have to do 3 whole 1 over 6. So you have to 3 whole 1 over 6. The first step is you have to multiply the whole number and denominator. You need to do 3 times 6. That would be 18. Step 2 is you have to add this 18 and the numerator. 18 plus 1 is 19. The third step is you have to write down with this it in fraction form 19 and the same denominator. It would be 19 over 6. Got it? So it would be 19 over 6. Option 2 is the correct one. Got it? Okay, the next one is write 4 by 3 as a mixed number. So you can see you have the greater numerator than denominator. 4 over 3. This one is greater. That means you can divide. 3 times 1 is 3, and here you have 1. You have to write down the answer in mixed form, so it would be 1 whole 1 over 3. So it would be 1 whole 1 over 3. The second option is the correct one. Okay, the next one is write 3 whole 9 by 10 as an improper fraction. So which is the correct option? Three whole 9 over 10. Step 1 is you have to do whole number time denominator. 3 times 1 tens, that would be 30. Step 2 is you have to add numerator in this answer, so it would be 30 plus 9, that makes 39. And then step 3 is you have to write down with the same fraction, so it would be 39 over 10. The correct option is so the correct option is 39 over 10. That would be option number 1. Write 1 whole 1 over 2 as an improper fraction. So which is the correct option? You have to do 2 times 1. That would be 2. Then you have to add the numerator. That would be 1. So it would be 2 plus 1 is 3 over 2. So option number 2 is the correct option. It would be 3 over 2. Write 4 whole 1 by 7 as an improper fraction. So which is the correct option? You have to do 7 times 4. That is 24. You have to add 1. 7 times 4 is 28. You have to add 1. It would be 29 over 7. The correct option is 29 over 7. Write 67 by 9 as a mixed number. So 67 by 9 means you have greater numerator than denominator. 67 over 9. You can divide 67 by 9. Got it? 9 times 7 is 63. 7 take away 3 is 4. So it would be 7 whole 4 over 9. That is whole number, that is numerator, that is denominator. It would be 7 whole 4 over 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Option 2 is the correct one. Okay, 57 over 10, which is the correct option, 1 or 2? You have 10 times 5 is 50, you are left with 7. So it would be 5 whole 7 over 10. Option number 2 is the correct option. It is 5 whole 7 over 10. Okay, 9 whole 3 over 4, which is the correct option? So it would be 4 times 9 is 36 and 339, that would be 39 over 4. You can just match their denominators. Okay, 2 whole 5 by 10, 2 whole 4 by 10. So which is the correct option? 5 times 2 is 10 and add 4. So it would be 14 over 5. The correct option is okay, write 25 by 6 as mixed number. So which is the correct option? 6 times 4 is 24. and you are left with just one, so it would be 4 whole 1 over 6 is the correct option. Okay, write 7 whole 1 over 3 as improper fraction, so which is the correct option? That would be 22 over 3. 21 over 2, which is the correct option? It would be 10 whole 1 over 2. Okay, write 1 whole 8 over 9 as an improper fraction, so which is the correct option? 9 times 1 is 9 and plus 8 is 17. That would be 17 over 9. Got it? Okay, we are done with the lesson. So we were working on grade 4 maths. Chapter we're working on is fractions, equivalence and ordering. Lessons we have covered today are compare fractions in recipes, order fractions with like numerators or denominators, then order fractions and convert between improper fractions and mixed numbers. So please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.